Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix inconsistent backups on smartphones or tablets due to users not enabling iCloud Google Backup or hitting storage limits. iPhone, iPad, iOS, iCloud Backup. Step 1. Check if iCloud Backup is enabled, go to Settings. Tap your Apple ID name at the top. Tap iCloud. Tap iCloud Backup. Ensure that iCloud Backup is on. Tap Backup now to test. Step 2. Check for iCloud storage limits in Settings. Apple ID, iCloud, check the storage bar at the top. If iCloud storage is full, tap Manage Account Storage. Delete unnecessary backups, for example, old devices. Offload large data, photos, messages, etc., if not needed in iCloud, or tap Change Storage Plan to purchase more iCloud storage. Step 3. Verify app-specific iCloud backup settings in Settings. Apple ID, iCloud, scroll down to Apps using iCloud. Ensure essential apps, for example, Photos, WhatsApp, Notes, are enabled. Disable backup for non-essential apps to save space. Android phone, tablet, Google Backup. Step 1. Check if Google Backup is enabled. Open Settings. Scroll to System or Accounts and Backup on Samsung. Tap Backup. Ensure Backup by Google One or Backup to Google Drive is enabled. Tap Backup now to test. Step 2. Check Google account storage limits. Go to https://1.google.com/storage in a browser. See if Google Drive storage is full. Free up space by deleting old backups, emails with large attachments, large Google Drive files, or purchase more space via Google One. Step 3. Ensure all data types are selected for backup in Settings. Google, Backup, ensure app data, SMS, photos and videos, and device settings are included. For photos, open Google Photos, tap Profile icon, Photos settings, Backup. Ensure backup is turned on. Choose Storage Saver instead of original quality if hitting limits. General troubleshooting tips, both iOS and Android. Ensure Wi-Fi connection. Backups often require a stable Wi-Fi connection. Ensure device is charging. Backups may be delayed unless the device is charging. Restart device. If backup gets stuck, reboot the phone or tablet. Update OS. Sometimes OS bugs prevent backups. Update to the latest version. Final verification. After backup is completed, go to iOS, Settings, iCloud, Manage Storage, Backups, Android, Settings, Google, Backup, or check on Google One. Confirm the latest backup date and contents. Let me know if you need a printable checklist or want to automate backups in bulk for organizations or MDM setups.